almost a year ago, I picked up a set of Greenlee Punches during a trip to the Habitat for Humanity restore. Finally got around to cleaning them up.
I spent too much.
They really look rough. Rusty, dirty, stuck together. What a mess. But they were very inexpensive. The Greenlee Punches have been on the shelf for quite a while, ever since I brought them home from the restore. Now I decided it's time to get after them. They weren't in real bad shape, but I had one that I had to use a pair of pliers to get it apart. With the bath loaded, I wanted to let it get up to about 140 degrees before I started the ultrasonic. With the bath up to 140 degrees, then it was just a matter of setting the timer and letting it run for 8 minutes. With the grease cleaned off, it's time to get them out of the bath, rinsed off, and ready to go in the vinegar. Enough vinegar to make sure everything was under the bath, and we're ready to start again. After about 20 minutes in the vinegar bath, a quick polish with a brass wire brush takes all the dust and dirt off of it and gives it a nice little shine. The last step is to spray with CRC 336. That displaces the water on it and gives it a good protection against any flash rust. This video is not to be viewed by anyone under the age of 13 in the US or 16 in the European Union, without the express written permission of the parents or legal guardians of the underage person. Such written permission must be on file at the local government entity in charge of enforcing the rules and regulations established by the FTC. Anyone violating these terms is admitting by default that they hold harmless the owners and operators of this channel. Any and all questions should be addressed to your local branch of the FTC.